एसपी सिंह मैं ठाकुर हूँ, योगी का खानदानी हूँ, परिवार का हूँ, फिर भी ये जिंदगी भर भाजपा को वोट दिया। आज से हम लोग दाद दादे से, आज से आरएसएस के रहे, अब वोट बीजेपी को नहीं।
You know, in Hindi there is a term for this. जैसी करनी वैसी भरनी. You guys are the ones who supported this bulldozer action. You were very happy. You were enjoying this bulldozer action because it was happening to the other side. And look what happened. It has happened to you as well. Because that's what state does. It always overreaches. Because of your support, a legal precedent has been set. अब भुगतो, bulldozer baba, bulldozer justice. This is what happens when you support this nonsense move. There is still time. Understand, the state is a violent machine. You cannot hand so much power to the state that it will take action against you as well. Do not be so happy because state has attacked some enemy, so-called enemy you have made. That is why I say, stop asking for state overreach. Stop asking for more tyranny. Ask for removal of state from your life.